Blessed Tuesday, my dear friends. Today is February 10, 2026. In today's Gospel from the beautiful and the wonderful account of the Gospel of Mark chapter 7, verses 1 to 13, Jesus confronts a face that looks clean on the outside, yet resists conversion on the inside, reminding us that religion becomes empty when tradition replaces love and ritual, when ritual silences obedience to God. The Pharisees wash their hands meticulously, but their hearts remain untouched. And Jesus exposes this painful truth. We can be faithful to religious practices while quietly failing to be faithful to God Himself. How often do we cling to customs, a title, routines, and even holy excuses to avoid the harder call of mercy, forgiveness, sacrifice, and responsibility? Jesus is not attacking tradition. He is rescuing it, calling us back to the true purpose, which is to lead us to love God and neighbor more deeply. My dear friends, remember this: when human rules begin to protect our comfort, our pride, and our convenience at the expense of compassion and truth, we unknowingly nullify the Word of God, as Jesus warns. Today's Gospel gently but firmly asks us to examine our own lives. Are my prayers shaping my character? Are my devotions making me more patient, more humble, and more generous? True and real holiness is not proven by clean hands alone, but by a heart honors God in how it loves, in how it serves, and chooses what is right, even when it is costly. In this encounter, Jesus invites us to move beyond appearances and allow God to cleanse not what others see, but what only He knows, like our intentions, our priorities, and our hearts. My dear friends, it's good when our hands are clean and also when our hearts are pure. If you love and like this reflection, kindly share it with your friends, share it with your family, make the Word of God viral so that many will be blessed.